Hey guys, how is it going? My name is Peter and I work for the marketing team of Korkuma. Today I will be showing you how to install Korkuma onto your own domain and how to set up your first live stream shopping event. Some people might think that this is quite difficult and tough because it's a new piece of technology and involves inputting codes into parts of your domain you might not be comfortable with, but I'm not a very tech savvy person. I can tell you it's very easy. It's much easier than it was to set up this video, so it's going to take maybe under 5 minutes, something like that. I'll try to go slowly though, so you can see what is happening, and hopefully, after this, you'll be encouraged to try out Korkuma yourselves. Yeah. So first and foremost, when it comes to the installation, this will be probably the tricky part that might, seem a bit overwhelming, but it's taking this code over here, which is generated by Korkuma for you. This unique code, and you will have to implement it into your website. Now, I have this very simple website builder called Card. It's very similar to Wix. It kind of has its own generator, so it allows you to do what other people would need coding for. So usually with these website builders, you should have something like an add element option. In this case, the element I'm looking for is an embed. So I'm just going to copy paste the script that I had over here, and that should actually just get Korkuma onto your website. I'm going to publish this site, and this should save the changes. Now, I understand that some of you might be overwhelmed by this, but keep in mind we did make Korkuma as easy as this kind of technology can get. So don't be afraid to try it out. I'm not scared to try it out, and it should be you. If you check the installation status here, it will tell you, yeah, if everything has been done correctly. It has been, so now I can go back to the dashboard. Now, this means that you will be able to generate live stream events on your platform. But before I set up a new event, I will just quickly go to this customization option over here. This is mainly for you as a presenter to see how you would like your stream to look like. You have a desktop and a mobile preview, so you can see how it's going to look for your viewers. The shapes of your stream are something that you can change as well. I personally prefer the square. Don't know why. It's just my personal preference, and I do like the kind of rainbow color of the chat bar positioned to the left. And yeah, you can save it here. Very easy, very quick. Once that is done, you can go back to home, and you will have one last bit left from the quick start guide, and that is setting up the event. Now, the beauty of Korkuma is, and I will probably highlight this at the end as well, is that it doesn't just show on your website as a static thing. You will need to generate a generate a link that you will send to your viewers or your customers. You can share it on your social media, promote it as much as you can. I recommend you promote it a lot so people know to come and join you. And I will show you how to actually do that now. So first thing you will notice, we've recently introduced this live stream format. We found out that not everyone is comfortable going live right off the bat. It can be a little intimidating. So we introduced this pre-recorded format for people who might be nervous. What it means is basically you record your entire video first, and then you can put it into the stream. And as the stream is going on and your video is being played, you can still interact in real time with your customers via the live chat, but we'll get to that. So the first thing you will need is a snazzy picture. So I've actually got this woman smiling photo over here, which we used for one of our recent blogs, and it kind of looks like a woman is enjoying a live stream event show on her own. So we're going to use that one. We already have the URL set here. We'll need a snazzy event title, which will be testing Korkuma for new users. That's you guys. And super fun time with Pete. That's gonna be the description for everyone who wants to join. Now we're gonna set the event for 7 o'clock now, but we'll probably skip the wait time. Boom, there you go. Let's just set up the event. Let's see if that is going to happen for me. Okay, the event has been created successfully. Now, as you can see, this generates sort of two different panels. It's the streamer panel, which is for you or anyone who you decide is going to be showcasing and is going to be hosting the stream. And then it's the bottom event sort of panel for the viewers or the customers that you're trying to be enticing to come. The link down here is the link you want to give to the viewers. If you see, we can put it in here, and it's going to show me that the event is being prepared. If I was a curious little shopper, yes, there you go. So that's perfect. The event is supposed to start in 5 minutes, apparently. Now, this is what I was saying on earlier, and this is what makes Korkuma a bit different from Twitch, YouTube, or maybe Facebook Live. It's the fact that you don't have a website that's easily accessible through the main domain. You need to have a link to click on, which is then on your website. What that does is that it doesn't disturb people who are just coming to your website for just the shopping experience alone, but it also allows people who would like something more, this new form of shoptainment to happen for them. So it's kind of best of both worlds while protecting the integrity of your website. So with that in mind, next thing we will do is we'll probably start the stream a bit earlier because we don't need to wait. Keeping in mind that when you start the stream, there is a slight delay between you as the streamer and the live chat. So let's see what happens when I start the stream. Well, I know what's going to happen, but let's see for you. First thing, you'll choose a nickname. So I'll choose my gaming tag, which is Dracutella. It's like a combination of Nutella and Dracula. It's kind of cool. I don't know. And get ready. Oh, so this should be loading up. Perfect. So now you can see me. I'm live. Well, actually, I'm about to go live. And 3, 2, 1. There we go. Perfect. So now I'm live. I can enlarge myself. I can make myself smaller. I should be able to see the chat right here, so I can say hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. Obviously, no one's watching because, well, I was lazy and I didn't promote the stream. No, in reality, no one's watching because it's just a test run. But this over here, you see, this is the website that your viewers will see, and they're slowly. It basically started, the stream started on here, so it's a bit delayed as you can see from my reactions, and that is pretty much it. So once you're done streaming, you can just easily end the stream. And yeah, this was Korkuma, an easy guide how to set up your first live stream shopping event. Let us know if you have any questions. We have very active social media. We have a bunch of emails you can contact. We have a very friendly staff, so thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.